here we have a question. If y is equal to sine root under sine x plus cos x, find dy by upon dx. Means we have to differentiate sine into root under sine x plus cos x with respect to x. So in order to solve it, we will write what we have been given. So here we have been given y is equal to sine root under sine x plus cos x. So as we can see that this differentiation seems so much complex. So in order to solve it, we will first make it much less complex, and in order to do this we will first put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Here we will put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Now if we differentiate it, we will get cos x, and on this side we will get minus sin x dt upon dx. We have write dx just because here is the angle is x, so dt upon dx. So after putting this value, the equation 1 became, then the equation 1 become y is equal to root y is equal to sine root t. Now again we are unable to differentiate it. We will have to again put root t is equal to something. Now put, so put root t equal to u something. Then if we differentiate it, we will get, so what we can write t as t power 1 by 2, isn't it? We can write t power 1 by 2 also. Now after before solving this, we will first differentiate it, and if we try to differentiate it, we will get minus 1 by 2, and on this side we will get du upon dt, just because here is t as a variable we have. So du by dt we have, then equation, suppose it was equation 2, then equation 2 become, after considering this value, the equation 2 become y is equal to sine u. Now it is much easier to solve it. We can easily solve it. We can easily find its differentiation. Dy, what is the angle here? Du. So dy upon du is equal to cos u. But we have been asked in the question to differentiate this value with respect to x, but we have done differentiation with respect to u. Means we are still have a lot of things to do. So solving it further, dy, okay, here we have dy upon du, and we have to find dy upon dx. Okay, so we will multiply and divide dx. Again regarding to dx, what else value we have? Yes, here is dt upon dx. Okay, so as it is here we have value in on the left side, so we will make something like dx upon dt. Okay, we have been given dt upon dx, so as it is on the left side, we will try to make something from this as dx upon dt. So if we divide and multiply by dt, we will get dx upon dt. And now we have got dt. So what else value we have regarding dt? Yes, here we have du upon dt, means we will here will have to make dt upon du. That is what we had already been given, dt upon dy upon du, and this is what we did is also ethical. If we cut all this value, we will again get dy upon du, means it's all we have written is right. so this value was equal to cos u and cos e. Okay, now we have been asked to find dy upon dx, so we will put all this value on the right side. Then we will get dt upon dx and du upon dt. And now cos u, here is we have cos u, but u was not actually u, it was u is equal to root t. It was cos is equal to root t. And dt upon dx we have cos x minus sin x. So in place of this we will put cos x minus sin x. And in place of du by dt we will put 1 by 2 t power minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 t power minus 1 by 2. So again it was here we have t, okay, t, but it was not actually t. We have written its value in place of something, that is we had put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. It was not actually t. So we will again replace its value with what we had already with what we already have, that is sin x plus cos t. Sin x plus cos x and cos x minus sin x, and on this side again we will replace t with what we had already is equal to cos sin x plus cos t. Sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x power minus 1 by 2. So now after solving it we will get cos root under sin x plus cos x, and what is this, cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and this value will become sin x plus cos x root under, and this is all what we have got is the right answer. Thank you.